Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I thought I'd do smoky party look. I haven't played that much lately with eyeshadows, busy before Christmas. I just slapped something on quickly, but I thought I'd do like a stronger party look. And I'm going to use Natasha Denona I Need a New palette because I want it to be a bit cooler. So these eyeshadows, this palette might not look that cool to you, but it is quite cool, apart of obviously these peachy colors, but these browns are quite cool. I am going to start with a black kohl liner. I don't know if this one is still available. This is Maybelline Master Smoky shadow pencil, but you need any kohl liner that is very soft and easy to smudge, because I want to darken this outer portion of my eye with it. So I'm just going to smudge it like this. Don't make it really precise because that doesn't matter. This one has a little sponge applicator on the end that you can smudge it with, but you could take something like the Rifa 12 brush, and that's actually quite nicer. This is a bit hard, and I'm just going to darken my eye here, so that will act as a base for my eyeshadow. I hope the sound is better now. I've just thought to myself, I haven't put my microphone on, which means that the sound you are hearing is from the built-in camera microphone, and they are not very good. Sorry about that. So you just basically create that smoke on the outer corner of your eye. And go up quite high, right above my crease. So you should be left with something like this. And you can make it darker if you want to. I'm going to work from outer corner into inner corner. Now I'm going to go into Silhouette, this dark one, and I'm actually going to take Holo P66. I need something smaller, and I'm going to go over that with this eyeshadow. Remember, if you don't know really the angle, how high to go here, you can use the trick that I've shown you not long ago. I will link it here, how to cheat, how to fake lifted eye. I do it a lot, so I sort of can wing it. Always have on hand Rifa 15 to blend the edges. Now I might have to go into my crease a bit, because when I drop my eyes, can you see? You can hardly see the eyeshadow. You can only see it when I lift my eyebrows, and because I've got hooded eyes, as soon as I'm relaxed, you can't see it. So we know we have to go really high up here. So I'm going to take Rifa 01 and I will go into, what is it? Mesh, which is here. Now it's the lighter one, Mesh. And I'm going to relax my eyes, and I know that I want this eyeshadow to go high up here on my hood. I need to go even higher here because my eyes are down-turned as well, so I need to lift them. Can you see the difference? You can see the eyeshadow here now, but you can't see anything here. Then Rifa 15 and blend the edges. As hoodies, and those of you who have lots of crinkles and folds in your eyelids, we have to do this blending in between a lot, because when we apply the eyeshadow, the skin is so loose, it keeps moving, the brush is skipping, so it can look a bit patchy. So the blending, that's why I blend so much in between. I'm going back to P66 and I'm going to go into the dark silhouette again, because I need to go higher up here to hide this droopy hood. I'm just patching it, and then I will of course blend it out. And I am just playing and darkening that corner. You do it as dark as you want or as light as you want. But it's all about doing it slowly and building it up. Again, this is just a challenging process for us hoodies and more mature eyes where the skin is not as taut as it used to be. Now I'm going to go into filigree with Rifa 02. This is a gorgeous color, and I'm going to put it just here, sort of almost from there halfway, and overlap that dark color. It's a gorgeous shimmer, very cool brown. This eyeshadow is more of a, you know, that really soft, almost foiled one. If you wet it, it will be even more intense. I'm going really slightly above my crease with it. Now Sonia G Worker Pro, and I'm going to go into Whisper. Whisper is sort of champagne color, but leaning a bit almost pink, not pink like you can imagine, but it's a definitely cool color. I'm going to apply that from the inner corner to that filigree. There is honestly just a hint of pink in it. Rifa 23, I'm going back to Whisper just to put it in my inner corner. And a bit on my lower lash line. Now Rifa 03, I'm going back to Silhouette, that very dark one, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I deposit the most colour on that outer lash line and then just slightly go inwards, but not right into the corner. Then BK Beauty 207, I'm going to go to Mesh, this one here, and I will buff it out underneath. I will now put the black kohl liner in my waterline. I'm not going right to the inner corner because that sort of closes your eyes a bit, makes them smaller, but I will do it in the inner corner at the top. Not all the way, just to where my lash is getting thicker. And mascara. And as this is party look, I think I'm going to put false eyelashes on, and today I think I'm going to use the BK Beauty and Risa Does Makeup in Vegas. I love their lashes, they are very, very good lashes. You know, I usually use the martinis, which are just like quarter lashes, but today let's go for Vegas. I am not regular wearer of lashes. I'm not really that into false lashes, but they can really take your look to another level, especially when you're going out. I have a bit of sparkle in my top. Okay, so here are the lashes. As you can see, it gives it a bit more oomph, but they are not too big. Okay, lips, because it's a party look, we're going to do a red lip. And I've pulled out the Wonder 2 Must Have Matte Lip Liner in red and the red lipstick. I don't know if this is still available. I've had it for a while, but it's the most beautiful red. So this is the finished look. I really love it. When it comes to parties, this is my favorite look. Something smoky, cool, grey, black, and this Natasha Denona palette is perfect for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you happy and peaceful Christmas and stay fabulous. Bye.